Mathematics in Modern World, prepared by Lucille Lima Cruz from Basic Science Month. So for today, we will tackle about population dynamics. So let's proceed to the objectives first. Discuss what is population dynamics. Second, identify the elements of population dynamics. And lastly, how mathematics applied in population dynamics. Introduction. The population dynamic is a branch of life sciences that studies the size and age composition of population as dynamic systems, and the biological and environmental processes driving them such as birth, death rates, and immigration. The example that comes to mind is the study of how the population of a certain species, like deer, fish, or even humans, changes over time in a particular environment. What is population dynamics? Population dynamics is a field of study in biology that looks at the changes in population sizes and composite ions over time and the factors that drive these changes. It's like a big picture view of how populations evolve, grow, and shrink. In this field, researchers use mathematical models and statistics to explain, understand, and predict how population change. These models takes into account factors such as the carrying capacity of the new environment, which is the maximum population size that the environment can sustain indefinitely. Population dynamics is crucial in various fields. Here are some key examples of population dynamics. First is the birth rate, the number of the birth in populations over a set period of time. Second, death rate, the number of deaths in population over a set period of time. Number 3, immigration, the process of individuals moving into a population from somewhere else. In number 4, immigration, the process of individuals leaving a population to live somewhere else. Number 5, population size, the total number of individuals in a population at a given time. Number 6, population density, the number of individuals in a population per unit of area or volume. Number 7, carrying capacity, the maximum population size that an environment can support. How math used in population dynamics. Ecologists frequently used mathematical models to describe population dynamics. Some examples. Trajectory of population growth. We are continuously gaining individuals through birth and losing individuals through death. Populations may also gain or lose a significant number of individuals through migration when people either enter or leave a population. Number 2, population equilibrium. One common model used to analyze population equilibrium in the logistic growth model. This model takes into account factors such as birth rate, death rate, and carrying capacity, the maximum population size that environment can sustain. Number 3, feedback loops. They are the basic mechanic for how we learn and how we grow as human beings. As we progress through our everyday lives, we constantly use feedback loops to guide us, making observation, corrections, and taking action based on feedback from an array of different sources. Demographic processes. Demographers seeks to understand population dynamics by investigating 3 main demographic processes: birth, immigration, and aging, including death. Number 5. Differential equations. Differential equations are extensively used in population dynamics to model the changes in population size over time. Various factors can influence the dynamics of a population. It's a fascinating field with many real-world applicants, from conservation efforts to disease control. By studying these factors, scientists can predict how populations will change in the future, which is particularly important for conservation efforts, managing wildlife resources, and understanding the spread of diseases. I hope this gives you a clear understanding of what population dynamics is all about.